the essential role of regular oil changes in vehicle maintenance. Imagine driving your car, feeling every turn and acceleration. But what keeps it running smoothly? Proper maintenance, with oil changes at its heart. Oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle, lubricating moving parts and ensuring everything works seamlessly. Without it, your journey stops abruptly. Neglecting oil changes leads to a buildup of contaminants. These impurities cause friction, heat, and ultimately, engine damage. A costly mistake. Think of oil like a protective barrier. It shields against rust and corrosion, elements that can significantly shorten your car's lifespan. Changing your oil regularly improves fuel efficiency. A smoothly running engine means less fuel consumption, saving you money at the pump. Moreover, it's about preserving your investment. A well-maintained car retains more value, making it easier to sell or trade in the future. So, don't wait until it's too late. Prioritize your car's health with regular oil changes. It's a small step for a lasting journey,